Hey, we're going to tell ChatGPT to scan an image and print those details onto a Word document. Okay, we have an image of we have an information. Someone took a photo of some information, and the information are bra. So I need to, maybe you want to make a document out of it. Maybe words on the image, you don't want to retype all those words. So we're going to tell ChatGPT to actually read this information on an image and print it out into a Word document so that you don't really do anything. Okay, so let me go to my ChatGPT. I'm going to first upload an image. Okay, upload photos. Okay, I think I have it here. Here it is. Okay, so you're going to tell ChatGPT to scan and write down. I always tell people to kind of use normal English if you don't know which prompt to tell ChatGPT to do. So I'm going to tell it scan and write the words on. Okay, I think let's say scan and write down the words onto a Word document that I can download. Okay, so we're going to really tell it something like that. I always tell people the perfect way to actually learn ChatGPT is to kind of come up with normal English words you can tell it to do. As you do it, you perfect actually how you ask ChatGPT to do your work. Okay. So we're telling it scan and write down the words onto a Word document that I can download. So let's try to execute that. It's a kind of cool how ChatGPT can even read in images Jabra. And okay, let's give it a few seconds. I think it's done. The text from the image has been extracted and saved to a Word document. You can download it from here. So let me click on this. Okay. Okay, I think it's done. Let me open it from here. And that is done. Okay, it's actually kind of cool that ChatGPT can actually be accurate. Let's see, our services include website design. That is paragraph 2. When you look at this, paragraph 2, our services include website design. It's kind of cool. Our mission, our vision, wow. Yep, so if you're interested in videos about AI, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss future videos like this. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.